everyone, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. Right, I have another unboxing for you today. It's early on a Sunday morning, so I'm just about to go off to see my uncle, and I thought I'd do a little video before I go and see him. So this unboxing is from diamondartsgift.com. They contacted me via email asking me if I wanted to do an unboxing for them of some free products. So obviously I said, yay! And I don't think I've ordered from them before, to be honest with you. So they are a new company to myself. And they've also sent me this as well. So we shall see, we shall see. I have seen a few people unboxing these, and I have a sort of little idea for what I'm going to do with it. And it is a good idea because it gives the effect of a frame, but I'd be a little bit wary of putting this directly onto your wall. I don't know how strong that stick is, the adhesive is, but personally I wouldn't like to put that straight on my wall, just in case it rips the wallpaper or some of the paint off. I mean, I always have spare paint lying around mine anyway because of having kiddies, but you know, it's yeah, we'll see. Maybe what I was thinking is you could put your canvas on a backing cardboard with it and then use command strips to put it up, so it gives the effect of being in a frame. Anyway, I'm just waffling off, but if you're new to my channel, then a huge welcome, and I hope you've all had a beautiful blessed weekend, or starting of weekend depending when you're watching this video. And if you like my content, then please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. Right, let's get started on these lovely diamond paintings. So I have 3 here. I did have to open them to find out which company they were from, because I've been doing quite a lot of unboxings, as you can tell, recently. And I've broken my stand that I use to do the filming, so I'm having to use like a tripod sort of stand. Right, this first one is a special shape, obviously. It is a 30 by 40. It is a partial, but quite a lot of it is diamond painted. And it comes with a standard kit, which is your green boat, your pink wax, and your single placer pink pen. And it has some baggies in there as well, for storing leftover drills. Now, let me just fold this for you. This has, how many? It has 12 different colours, and we do have all the DMC crystal codes there, if you store your drills like by code. Personally, I don't, because I do so many. I'd be there all day. I don't have the patience for it, guys, to be honest with you. There we go. So this is the first image. As I said, it's a 30 by 40, and it is a partial. Let me just try and smooth this out a bit. It is a partial, but there's a lot of drilling to do, or diamond painting to do on this. So yeah, we shall see, we shall see. The canvas is pretty stiff, but that's okay. I'll just lay it underneath some heavy canvases. I've got lots floating around to do. So adhesive is excellent. That is really good adhesive, actually. Those drills aren't going nowhere once they're down. So I'm just seeing, and yeah, there's no adhesive on the areas that aren't supposed to be diamond painted, which is good. Sometimes with partials, they can just cover it all, hoping that, you know, no one will notice. Right, we do have funky symbols here. So all 12 of them are funky symbols, guys. You know how I feel about funky symbols, but it's fine. You know, I don't mind. I've kind of got used to them now because they're everywhere, these funky symbols. So we get 2 legends. We get one down here, one up there. Let me just stand up and do this because I know we're getting a bit of a glare here from my curtain. Is it my front curtain? Let me just see, because we're getting something coming through here and I don't know if it's this side or... Oh, something just fell off the windowsill. There we go. That's a bit better. So as I said, it's 30 by 40 and we have, this is my tripod leg here. It's in the way, and as you can see, my table is a lovely hot mess in the background. Let's turn it so we don't see the tripod legs so much. There we go. Let me just tighten this up so you don't suddenly go there. There, better. So 2 legends, one here, one there, with the DMC codes. Let me zoom you up so you can see the quality of the print is excellent. Lovely. Just look at those colours and flowers. This will be really lovely when completed. We do have quite a few little special shapes going on. There we go. Some swirls as well in the middle of the flowers. Lovely. And we have a thumbnail. So this is what it should look like when completed. Bit crazy, a bit out there, and a bit hippie-ish, I think, as well. But I like it. It's nice, cheerful and colourful. So just what I need at the moment. I need colour, lots of it. So lovely. Let me get my tape measure and we will give it a quick... Oh, no far. There we go. So let's give it a quick measure and we can see how it's measuring in at 30... 34 centimeters by 24. 34 by 24. Okay, so that's standard really. Okay, let me just move you round because I'm standing at a funny angle. There we go. Just going to shut my curtain there so you don't get the glare from the sun. There we go. So yes, I saw this and I just thought, yes, I have to have that. Had my eye on it for a while actually, so lovely. Let's have a look at these drills. Always check your canvas code matches up. GT052 to up here. Let's have a look here. Why can I not get into this today? There we go. So 12 colours. Okay, so we have an orange, we have a yellowish sort of brown. We do have a tone of brown in there, so I'm just going to say like an amberish sort of colour there. A purple, another purple, and the drills look really good as well. So green, emerald green, blues, light blue and dark blue, another emerald green, sort of like a cherish sort of pink. And then we have our special shapes, which is a purple AB medium-sized rhinestone there. That is gorgeous. It's one of my favourites as well. A blue teardrop. That also has the iridescent coating on. And then a gorgeous pink teardrop with the iridescent coating on as well. So it gives like a Northern Lights rainbow effect. Lovely. So all 12 are there. So that's good. They are a budget-friendly company also, so please check them out. I will put all the links to these products in the description bar so you can have a look. And I'm sure, as I always say, you know, you'll find something that you like, for sure. Okay, right. Let's move on to number 2. This is another partial. And because we're in the month of May, there's our crystal rhinestones. There we go. So because we're in the month of May, I wanted to do as many pictures of Our Lady, our Queen, our Mum as possible. But unfortunately, it hasn't materialised like that due to family reasons. So, you know, I can only do what I can do at the moment. But this one, I don't think I chose this one. I think this is one that they just put in because it was a similar image to the one that I chose. I'm not overly keen of it, and I'll tell you why in a moment. It's something silly. Most people would not care about that, what I'm going to say, why I don't like it. But the canvas is very soft. And it is a 25 by 30. And let me just tilt you down slightly. Hang on. That's better. So, yeah, I'm not overly keen on this image. And I'll tell you why. And it's something stupid because my daughter seems to think, and I sort of think as well, she looks a bit like Wolverine with the knives coming out of her hands. I know they're symbolisation for something, I'm not sure what, but I just don't like it. Just don't like it. So, I mean, I will complete it because it's Our Lady, but I'm not overly keen on the image itself. It has 13 different colours and crystal rhinestones. Crystal rhinestones in special shapes. And as I said, it's a 25 by 30. We do have the funky symbols there once again. Any of my fellow Catholics, tell me please what this image is supposed to represent. If you have any idea why the knives are coming out of her hands like Wolverine. I'm just not sure what that is about. Or is it supposed to be they're going into her heart? I don't know. Either way, I just don't like it. Don't like it, but I will complete it. Because, as I said, May is Our Lady's month. And, yeah, that's the month dedicated to Mary. So, in the Catholic Church calendar. So, I was going to try and do, like, as many diamond paintings of Our Lady as possible. But, yeah, because of what's happened personally, I haven't got round to doing that many. Right, okay, so we have, there's all our funky symbols. 13 different colours. We have a legend here and over here. And, yeah. Let me check the adhesive. Yeah, it's very good. But let's see, on the flowers, they are all spread with adhesive, even in the areas, or some of the areas that aren't diamond painted don't have the adhesive on, but some do, mainly around the outside, so that's good. Okay, let's have a look. Actually, let me measure it first, see if it's a true to size. 20. Yes, it'd be 20 by 25, won't it? Yeah, 20 by 25. CW06, there we go. Okay, so we have these clear teardrops with the AB iridescent coating on to give that rainbow light, the rainbow Northern Lights effect. Then we have the starburst ones that I've just called starburst. They're gorgeous. They're again one of my favourites. And then we have these red medium-sized rhinestones with the iridescent coating on again, and then the purple medium iridescent rhinestones. They look a shade of blue in certain colours. And then we have some medium-sized domes, pearl domes as well, and then we have gold marquees. And then we have these tiny little yellow teardrops, and then we have blue rhinestones, red, green, big bag of clear, yellow, and then another red. Yes, so all 13 shapes and rhinestones are there. Brilliant. Where's the bag gone? So there's that lovely one. And last diamond painting now. Oh, did I say what kit? It came with a standard kit, that one. Okay. Right, last one now. This one is a full drill. And it's a normal acrylic rhinestone. Let's see, does it have the DMC codes are on the bags as well as the canvas number, and the kit is a standard one with a single place pen again. Let me just fold it, not fold it, roll it, that's the word I'm looking for. I love this, and I saw this and I thought, yes, this is lovely. Even though we're just about to come out of the Easter season, it's never too, well, there's never a bad or wrong time of year to celebrate this. So there we go. Let me zoom you out a bit, see more of the image. Excuse the mess of my table. It's a hot mess this morning, it really is. Okay, now you're going to get a lovely view of the, this is a good image at all. There we go. I think I'm just going to have to hold you up. There we go, guys. So it says he is risen. And we have 2 legends. We have the DMC codes on the legends as well as on the bags. Why are you seeing so much? That's better. So yes, it's just a really simple image, and I saw it and I was like, oh yes, that's me. I like that one. So 30 by 40. Let me just check the adhesive. Yes. I always think it's a sign of good adhesive when you can see the adhesive is shining on the canvas. So there we go. So yeah, I really like this image. It's simple and it does have like a stained glass effect, I think, in the background. With the words, with the lettering on the on this, I do try to stay away from anything that's got words on, but this one was so special that I thought, yeah, I'll give it a shot. I think it's just going to be a case of keeping as many of those letters the same colour as possible. But we shall see. We shall see how it turns out. Go into it open-minded. Okay, so it's coming in at 25, we'll say. 25 by 35, probably, yeah. Just shy of 25 and 35. So, yeah, I just thought this was really lovely. Let me zoom you up so you can see the quality of... We're still getting that glare, aren't we, guys? Of the print. So it is a new style print, I think. Whoops. There we go. Let's just have a look at this legend now. So the legend, the symbols are all alphabetical, which is good. B and R, they're good. They're separate colours completely. And P, O and D, they're another one that, no, we don't have. O and D are different colours as well. They're the 2 that I kind of struggle with sometimes when I'm diamond painting late at night. But this is a nice clear print, so I can't foresee any difficulties with this one. Lovely. I didn't show you the thumbnail, did I? So this is a thumbnail of what it should look like once it's completed. Lovely. And that is the canvas number and the size. So we'll have a quick look at our 24 colours that we have on this. 24. Let's just have a very quick look now. Purples, a grey, another shade of purple, another grey, kind of like a, I don't know what colour, a light grey, I'll say, another purple, another light grey, and then we have a bag of green, sort of like another light grey, a purple again, a bluish grey this time. So now we're going into the blues, I think. Yes, blue, and then a browny red, an orange, a minty greeny sort of blue colour, an off-white creamy colour, a brown, another terracotta sort of colour, and a green. So, I mean, it's not an exciting colour palette, this one. Let's have a look. Another purple, and a brown, and a soft green. It's not exciting. I do like my bright colours, but you know, we'll see how it turns out. Oops. That's it, isn't it? It goes like that, and then like that, I think. Just zoom it out. Right, so let's put this beautiful canvas over there. Last but not least is this roll of, what would you call this? A foam frame tape, I guess, whatever you would call it. Oh, okay. Come out. There we go. Got it out eventually. So, I just got the standard white one, but they do come in several different colours. And there is a generous amount here as well. This is actually, hang on, some of the adhesive has kind of gone over. There we go. There. So, once it's up on the wall and lying flat, it would give a nice border effect to your canvases. And I would say you've got enough here to do a couple, maybe two 30 by 40s. Could be wrong. At least a 30 by 30 and a 30 by 40, I would say. Let me just check this adhesive. Once I can peel it off, hang on a second. There we go. Yeah, that's good adhesive. And what I'm thinking is, again, I would put this around the edges of my canvas and put it on a backing cardboard, because I just wouldn't want to put it straight on my wall. You know, I just don't know how effective it would be, and also if it would take the paint off, you know. But it's interesting that they're coming up with new ways to help us frame our diamond art, you know, without it being so expensive. Because as you all know, once you start, oh, what am I doing here? Once you start getting into the whole framing business of diamond painting, it can easily mount up cost-wise. You know, they're not cheap frames after a while, are they? So I'm glad that they're looking at these ways of, new ways of helping us frame our work. There we go. So, and I said they come in about 4 or 5 different colours. I think they come in black, gold, a creamy colour, purple. I think they come in a lilac colour, which was lovely. I was looking at that yesterday on Diamond Grandma's channel. So lots of different colours to choose from. But I thought I'd go for just the white because of where I do such colourful images. And I just don't want to take the focus off of the colours on the painting. So I just went for the white. Okay guys, so just a quick recap. We have our gorgeous 30 by 40 He Is Risen canvas. And then we have our lady looking like Wolverine. And then we have this. I don't think I'm going to get it all in. So I'm just going to turn it like that. Yes. Like that? No. Like that. Yeah. And then we have our flower, just flower picture. That's what I'm going to call that. So that's my little haul. And then obviously we had the tape as well from diamondartgift.com. And as I said, I will link all these products down below. So if you see anything you like, you can go and check them out and order them. And a huge thank you to them for sending me these beautiful canvases. And as soon as I get round to completing them, I will do a completion review on them as well. So, but obviously I'm quick, but I am not that quick. So, and I have got quite a few to get through now PR wise. So anyway, I hope you all have a beautiful remainder of your weekend. Please take care and lots of love to all of your loved ones and your your families, and stay safe, stay blessed, look after yourselves and look after one another. Okay guys, so take care. Bye for now, and God bless you all. Bye.